Okay, ready?
Yes.
All right, we're back playing with our 996 project. And where we left off before was getting this wing sort of fitted to the car so that we could start working with it and figuring out proportions. So the one major thing that we decided is that we needed to cut and widen the wing out to match the body. So how we went about that, I'll kind of show you how to section this piece first. So what you want to do is basically find where this starts to go straight, which is your easiest place, which is kind of right here. And then where this rolls off, you kind of want to draw it on the tangent line so that when we pull this out, it's like a natural transition to where it picks up again, which is kind of right here. So you're going to end up looking with something like this. So this we cut off, then I just glued some sticks on here to sort of get a feel for it and where it's going to look. So you can see that this transition will be an easy one to clean up. And then where this bellies, it's almost a straight shot right across, same as here. So that is kind of why we did it that way. And then how I came up with how wide the wing was going to be was just as simple as projecting a line from there up to our wing. So that's how we came up with this. So I think it looks a lot better. So we're going to take and cut this side. Then we'll start attaching all this stuff back together. Then we should almost be done. I love my tape. It just makes it easier to see everything. So with our top lines, we can just transfer them to the bottom. Our popsicle sticks basically just give us a platform to help us visualize where we're going to place this, because we only have two hands. So, because we already did the other side, we know we're shooting for 4 inches. So we'll just tack that in place. Okay, so that's basically it. You get the gist of it. This is more or less just to give us an idea, visualize and make sure that we like it. So kind of at this point, I'll leave it for a day or two and let it soak in and walk by it 200 times and make sure I love it. And then we'll lock it down and make it real. So in the next video, we'll show you how to bridge all these gaps and start closing this in and making this a finished part. But that's it for now.